Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily challenge, that is, Submatrix Sum. We start by including the standard input-output header file for basic I/O operations. The main function is the entry point of the program. Next, we read the dimensions of the matrix, R and C, from the user. We then read the matrix elements from the user in a nested loop, populating the 2D array matrix. Next, we read the indices x1, y1, x2, and y2 representing the submatrix. We perform a bounds check to ensure the indices are within the matrix bounds. If not, we print -1 and exit. We then print the submatrix and calculate the sum of its elements, all within nested loops. Finally, we print the calculated sum. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching.